everybody
I
has.
think Pradeep bhai will search this parking topic every day.
Hey, actually, no, Devi bhai, I am. If you send me a topic, today we will discuss on this topic. I know sometimes I did not get any topic on which topic we should discuss.
Hmm.
But nowadays, due to TRP, nowadays we are listening so much news. Yes, this is happening, and someone is making some memes. This is not, this is such like this. Today I've seen a meme on the Facebook, and I start laughing to see that meme. Someone has just make about Republic Bharat and India, and also Mumbai police. So no, that's why just strike in my mind we should discuss today on this topic. Now let's what people say. What is your view on something like that? So today we are going to start from the Devi Bhai because Devi Bhai is very great speaker and also
No,
whenever you
no,
discuss
no. I
about
think, yeah, I would request Amit bhai to speak because uh,
No,
then I
no,
will
no,
react
no, no.
based on.
I, I, I don't have much knowledge of this the journalism.
no,
That repetitive.
actually we have to discuss about practical what we are seeing on the TV, and we are getting some good news or not. That's why you can take example of that aspect also. So we can discuss, you know.
Okay,
So you can start.
okay. Let me start it then. Okay, no problem, no problem. Actually, see, as far as the journalism, journalism is the part of a media also, right? Because, if you want to run any channel or as already I still remember that Balabai told that if it is a media, so we have that the print media and as well as the electronic media. But, the journalism, what I feel that it is the most honest and honest job. But and they can reveal so many things, but it depends upon that particular person. If he is the not corrupted person, then he can do anything. Because see, we don't have any other option. Sometimes what happens, suppose if something goes wrong or something happen, and if you go to the police station and if you the register the FIR, so in that case sometimes, because of the political power, okay, so to whom or against whom you are going to register that FIR. So it is depends. Sometimes the police will not register such a FIR. They will have some pressure of a political pressure, and some if there are some big names. So in that case, the journalism can can show or can make a vital role. Because if he is a good, if he is not a corrupt, so he can put all the things in the equal manner. He can pick that the particular case up anywhere. So it depends upon that the journalism how is. If it's corrupt, then what is going to happen. So it still I remember that in what happened with this the Nirbhaya case. Okay, because of the we people, but ultimately the journal media, because of media, it spreads across the India, not across the India, across the global, I guess. And that's why something we could pressurize to the government what happened, and then the government has to say something about this. And so it's so already I mentioned that if it is the if it is not corrupt, then they can do anything. But even I already still I remember that the journal the do we anybody have the list of who journalist has been killed. I still remember that the Gauri Lankesh, I don't know. Gauri Lankesh, but she was so honest. It is said that she was so honest, but I don't know about how she was doing it. Okay. But see, who were the killed, I consider that those are the very honest, and they raise their hand against this corrupt media or corrupt persons or that political who are, and they try to reveal those things in the positive way. But there are the another part of a coin. So we also know that now these days what they are going to do. Taken the example of that the that Arno Goswami, what that now it everybody is saying that Sukta hai Bharat. What is everyone Pushta hai Bharat? Now these days what happened? Because of increasing the TRP, they are showing that the repetitive task No, it's feel bore. Suppose if you are showing the one thing repetitive. Okay, sometimes what we feel that it is a boring. Sometimes before that they were just sharing the Corona news, but after that the Sushant Singh case came into the picture, and then they highlighted that only things. So being a responsible person, and we are considering that the fourth pillar of a democracy, so they should act accordingly, and they should um, they should propagate such a thing only. Those are the true thing. Okay, they should not propagate the false thing, because ultimately it is going to harm us. Now today, if you're sending the false thing, so it is very easy to capture the false things, but it's very difficult to capture the truth. And what I feel personally, what I feel that the journalism have that much of a capability. And even I have given an example of a Gauri Lankesh. So I don't know about her, but that journalism have that the capability, and they can reveal anything. So they should work politely and without any corruption or anything, keeping in mind, so that the common man will get some the good result, or the what I want to say, that not result, will get some justification, justice if something goes wrong with someone. That's it from my end.
Yeah.
Okay, so Devi bhai, what is your view?
Yes, the topic is, are you happy with the Indian media? Yes, I'm very much happy with the Indian media. I cannot deny that. The first thing, because when I look into 10 years or 15 years before, there is only one or two news channels. There was like DD National or DD or ETV, all ETV. But now see how many channels. Before I never watched any news when the 15 years back, if I see. But now, and that time were very rarely getting some few news, or it is very less spreading their news across the India. They're not taking all the news at one time. But now see how many news channels, how many. If you want to see any want any good article, or you can watch, many news channels are there, many content they are giving. See, what is TRP? TRP, when it will happen, when viewership started, only TRP will automatically increase. Otherwise, it would not increase. As you know that Mumbai now, everybody's blamed on Republic channel. But what happened finally? The BARC, the one of the agencies that they will measure the viewership. That is actually mentioned India TV news channel, but the Mumbai police is falsely accused Republic TV. So why it is like that? As Amit Bhai told, Gauri Lankesh, yes, that is not against, that is not good when when the reporter has been killed. And you know what happened? The Arnav Goswami and his wife is attacked by few Congress persons in Mumbai. That also not agree, because why they should, if they're not against that news channel, let them watch other news channel. Why they're against that? If same thing will happen, then the right wing will attack on NDTV. So where this will end? It will never end up. So we have many options now. I'm happy with that. I'm getting more and more interest on news media. So after Sushant Singh Rajput case, I'm getting more interest on watching news channel. So every day I'll be sitting in front of TV and I'm watching what happened tomorrow, what happened tomorrow. So it makes me interesting. You know what happened when Sushant Singh news has just arrived that he's suicide because of depression. I just went sad for one day. Then I forget. But after this, they made one big story, right? Big serial. Then I made myself as interesting. You know how many people are involved. Even narcotic NBC narcotic department also involved, and there is it taken many different angle, like a drug angle. That is, otherwise this would have not opened up this drug angle and all. Now everyone is aware about the drug. They are very cautious about drug and all. Otherwise, it's very difficult to crack these incidents and all. It is justice will take time. It takes a certain amount of time. But this media person, they went far away from the diplomats or the CBI official. That is not correct. Even so, everybody is not correct in this world. So no one is perfect in the world. We cannot find anywhere in any place. Cannot find a perfect in any place, because we himself ourselves is not perfect. We will do mistakes. Even the news media also will do mistake. But what we should do is we should find a good news, like good media, or what it is useful for us. That news we should take or we should adapt in our life, and for knowledge purpose. Because say this is for survive for them. Definitely the advertisement is increased. Otherwise many news channels are gone bad now. How many news channels are shut down because of less TRP? Even news channel also giving employment to the many people. The Kapil Sibal started a news channel. I don't know what is the news channel. He also shut down and is not paid any salary to the employees. So considering this, definitely TRPs matter, and they are showing what the viewers will like. Same anyway, same like in YouTube also. We will started watching many YouTube videos and all, because of viewership they will get something else. So that's why they will be creative in doing something. Otherwise we will not watch. If they put something else, ABCDF, why should I watch in front of news channel when we have many entertainment channels are available? So they are making us very interesting. So I would say that I'm happy with Indian media. I support them,
Okay,
whatever it is. It may be in right
okay,
or
Devi
it may
bhai.
be in left. I am supporting. Yeah.
I think, as you know, I am not happy with Indian media because every no news media is unbiased. Everyone just biased. Someone is favoring government and someone is just speaking against the government. But sometimes what I
Against.
feel, sometimes I feel
Yeah.
that news media is also cheating the public of India. You know why? Because we are not getting genuine news, and also we are not getting true news sometimes. Just I want to take example of Kisan Andolan. I think 15 days back there is a very large Kisan Andolan everywhere in country. Now, can you tell me what is output of that? Because no news channel is going to cover. And now today I have seen news channel. I think there is a E25 something like that. The anchor just produced the statistical data of 600 mandi, and he saw the government data. Every mandi is buying all the product below the MSP line, and government is just saying yes, we are going to increase, we are going to double your MSP, but still every product mandi is buying on the half of rate. Suppose the rate of tur dal is 900 and they are buying below 500, and you are talking about we are going to double the economy and double the income of farmers. No news channel has covered till now this news, because they are saying yes, this is very good. Our agriculture minister Narendra Tomar organized a meeting in Punjab. No farmer is no, every farmer is present, but what happened? Our agriculture minister sent to Sachiv to go and entertain them. Then what happened? All farmers decided we are not going to discuss anything with Sachiv. If Narendra Tomar is a very good person, he know if there is a very good advantage of this, then he should come and discuss. But there are 5 to 6 meetings which is already cancelled between the minister and the farmer, because minister always know that there is some dearth in our Kisan Andolan, and every Kisan a farmer is just only demanding कि please fix a MSP, so nobody is going to buy anything below the MSP. But you can see there is no news in any news channel. They are not telling us what is happening in India, what is true news. Also, you can take example of India China. Only due to TRP, some are speaking that we are going to attack, we can do. China is a very weak compared to India. But what happened when they just enter in the India territory? No news media is going to cover that. There are many things. Yeah, now Devi Bhai is speaking in favor of Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now you can take what happened till now. Nothing. This is only matter of generating TRP. Only one news channel was doing that. Now you can see we are not getting any news regarding Sushant Singh Rajput till now. You can take example of Hathras case. This was only matter of one day. What happened in that case? We are not getting. Only what is totally depend upon news channel. If someone is favoring the government, they are going to publish, they are trying to show every good thing. But whenever someone is going to criticize the government, just block, and they are not going to show. Also, you can see in the debate part. Suppose some two person are debating on a topic, and someone is speaking in a favor of government, they are going to, yes, you can speak. But when someone is going to speak against, just mute the audio, something like that. I have seen many times. So I think they are not doing good in terms of public of India. So this is my view. Actually, I am not totally happy because every news channel is biased, but at least there should be some genuine news. So at least we can. And what no for verify the news, we try to follow some newspaper. We just open the newspaper, just cross check. So I think this is
Exactly.
not good. Okay, so Sonakshi and
Yeah.
Dhruv bhai. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Actually, sir, you are right. I'm uh, uh, I'm also not agree with just like not happy with journalism because in newspaper and you just like you say and give example, very good example. Just like we read in newspaper, I read a news just like one article of Tavleen Singh, right? Uh, he just like he also raised a question on journalism because she is also not happy and with journalism she raised the questions about just you take an example of farmer skills and many other issues. She also raised that question, and she said just like if she take an example, she says that just like uh, um about a Congress leader. So she say if she write that truly just like about the Congress leader party, then everyone Congress leaders are criticize them. And she said that how can if the like journalism not give a freedom, so how can we say the truth to the public, and how can a public know the real truth of just like anything. So she is also concerned about that news. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, Dhruv bhai.
Okay. So even now, Devi Bhai is not here, but I'm also on that part that I'm also not happy with the actual media. And the point that Mr. Devi Bhai has made, it was not good just before 10 and 20 years ago. We were not getting any kind of news. But still what is going on? I think at that time it was better just because at that time you can use your mind. At least you can, few people can use their mind. But now no one can use their mind who are people who are watching uh, TV news channel. Just because in every single news TV channel, brain like TV serials, totally brainwashing. And the point that made every news channel is for news, but where is the news? I don't think we are getting any kind of news. And even the point that Mr. Deva has made about drugs, that is absolutely right. That definitely we are getting the information about such kind of people. For few people, those personalities are idol. I mean, they consider everything to them. I mean, few people can die for them, for their stars. So at least now they can learn that such kind of people, they are also uh, indulge in such kind of activities like drugs and other narcotics things. So we don't need to consider as an idol or anything. Just be yourself. But this is only a part of one day news, after, and not before CBI is going to investigate. Like we have seen in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, so many TV news channel, what they have done, they have just played entire 2 and 3 months the news, uh, on the basis of what? On the basis of their own agenda, on the basis of their own belief that this is right, this is wrong. Riya Chakravarti, they totally blamed every people, whoever they want. This is not a kind of news anyone can do that. I mean, a normal person, they have the same mind. Like, I can also come here, I can also just put my own perspective, put my own belief, but that is not going to help any people or public. Or when we are representing a whole country, like a news channel, definitely it is not for your own bias or belief thing, or if people are not getting anything from your statement. So I think the news about drugs, about the Sushant Singh Rajput, is only a 1 day or 2 day news. When CBI has investigated and they have given a statement, after that any news channel can, they can then make their statement that this is right, this is wrong. It's not like every day is going on the same agenda, same topic, and that that it has nothing to do with the reality, the real news. So so many people, so many new channel, not people, so many new channel, definitely they are trying to deviate, not trying to deviate, they have been deviating. No matter which party is in a existence, if there will be Congress, they will talk in a favor of Congress, and they will also try to defend. And now JPG in existence, and whatever the party will be in existence, it's, it happens with all the time, and it's going on. I think after 2000 also, when the TV new channel came, I mean, few channels, and now there are many kind of new channel than even I consider. So I'm not so uh, I'm not satisfied with the TV new channel, but yeah, a few new channel on internet, like I have seen Al Jazeera, I have seen Vion, and I have seen few another international channel, and sometime also a few national channel, which I believe it's okay. I think at least we can go, we can consider, we can have a look on some news. I mean, at least they are putting things as it is. They are not trying to manipulate. They are not trying to uh, put something what they want or what they want to try to deliver the public. I think this is what it is wrong. Nowadays every single news channel director and the CEO, they think this is how everything uh, will go like this. I mean, whatever they want to deliver, they will show you. And it also happens at the time of uh, party elections. Whenever the elections is going on, there will be everywhere advertisement, and there is nothing going on which has to take with which has to do with reality. So that's why I'm not getting any single news. Even if I will go, I just started a news channel, I don't think I might get anything proper or any relevant that I can call news. That's why even I have deleted all the channel from my TV, from my television, which is in my home. There is only one single channel, that is NDTV. At least they are putting something, so my younger brothers, my family, uh, uh, they can at least, if they are watching, so they are not trying to brainwash. But yeah, I know sometimes NDTV is also against the party, but I think this is what the role of the media. If just because if media will not criticize the existing party, then who will criticize? I mean, normal people, if you are going to criticize, they will tell you are a traitor. So I think media has that power, and media is for that. Media is not for just to brag or just appreciate about the government. For that, there are another authorities like AIR News and DD News. I mean, which comes under government. They will tell everything, every positive aspect of the government. But the actual media is which can criticize, which can just point out the problem that must be solved or must be better. In this part, no media is working. That's why I'm telling media is actually not media. They are not trying to deliver the news. So I believe on few internet media channel, you can say, not in actual TV media, television media.
Okay, Dhruv. I think sometime also we
Yeah.
get confused which news is correct and which is news is false. You can take example, if I am talking about Aaj Tak, so Aaj Tak is saying something else, G News something else, NDTV is something else. So actually, sometimes we get confused which news is correct. Then we have to
Yeah.
follow the finally newspaper. So at least we can rely on the newspaper. Yes, this news can be good or that can be authentic. And now second thing, what I
Okay.
have seen, follow up. Suppose someone, some news
Mm-hmm.
channel just raise a question. Suppose you can take example of Kisan Andolan. They're just going to follow up for 1 day, 2 day. After 2 days, there's a forget. Ki what happened? We are not getting anything. Also, you can take example of Sushant Singh Rajput. Suppose Republic Bharat has just aired 2 or 3 months about Sushant Singh Rajput. Nowadays, they are also not covering. So we have no idea ki what going to happen. At least you have started something to try to finish it. And sometimes what happen, news channel create no problem or objection on something. If that is going to reward, they are not going to say apology or something like that. Yes, we have said some wrong thing and we are accepting our mistake. They are also not going to do this.
Mm.
So sometimes that's sometimes also people get frustrated, and also sometimes people also say ki these are some bullshit, they are not showing anything. And also you can take example of debate. On debate, people are just fighting to each other, because if you are going to watch any debate, we are not going to get anything, because that is also criticizing, that is also
Yeah,
criticizing, and what happened, we are not getting anything. So this is about all the news media.
yeah. Sometimes,
Okay.
sometimes
Yes,
even I confuse, sometimes even I confuse, like nowadays, whenever I watch Aaj Tak, ABP News, I think little bit they are going in a right path. But I'm pretty sure about Republic TV and G News. I'm pretty sure I haven't get any single relevant news that is actually need to watch, or I'm getting actual information from those both channel, especially from the director of both channel. I have listened entire 1 hour, Mr. Sudhir, and also I have listened few talks. I mean, actually, I didn't listen a memes. No, definitely I have also listened meme, but I actually have gone in Republic TV channel, and also I have gone through G News. I have watched the DNA. I Anyone can clearly see what they are doing if we will go. So, but yeah, I sometimes I also have confusion about Aztak and like ABP, but I'm pretty clear about both channels.
Okay, Sonakshi, you
My
can
own
speak.
perspective.
Okay, Sonakshi.
yes, sir. Actually, sir, one thing I feel just like whenever election is conducted and parties are choose their just like members elect this for elections, then in this case the media has responsibility to just like any person give the information about that person who stand in a election. But what happened, media do nothing for that. That is just like if any person are involved in any criminal activity or anything, just like it is not good for anything. So the media have responsibility to cover them everything. I think I feel just like give information to the public. This person is what is it good in this person and what is it bad in this person. But it is not happen like that. No one gave the news about the persons which is good or not. Only give the just like if person is stand on this ward or area, but other news related to that person not given news. So I feel it is also a drawback of journalism.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm not say uh, perfectly, but I think you understand or not.
Actually, we understand whatever you
Hello.
mentioned, Sonakshi. We easily understand. Okay. I know. Also, Election Commission has
Yeah.
announced. I think if anyone is criminal, he or she has to publish uh, about he or her criminal activity at least in three places. I think some news media something like that. But nowadays we are not getting anything. So,
Yeah, sir. Hello.
yes, yes,
Yeah, sir.
Sonakshi.
Yes, sir. Because political party hide the information. They not give the correct information. If media are aware and active, so the I think political party are afraid to choose the any members and to stand for the election.
Okay, Amit bhai, Devi bhai, now it is your turn. Devi bhai, Amit bhai,
Yeah, yeah,
I
Yes,
think
yes, we
you
are listening.
now.
Ganesh,
yeah. We are
So now you
Ganesh,
can speak,
Ganesh.
Amit bhai.
Ganesh is there also.
I think Ganesh is very much interested to only
No,
listen.
no, I
Hello.
am agree.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
I think
No, no, sir.
Ganesh.
I want to speak, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
Ganesh
okay,
okay.
should bless
okay.
us. The Lord Ganesh should bless us.
No, no, sir.
Yes,
I want to speak.
yes.
Uh,
Uh,
okay, I want to mention Devi Bhai, one point. You mention news are only sorry Indian nowadays news channel are entertainment to us, or they make news interesting. So according to me, that is not good, because whenever we are make news interesting or make news as like entertainment, then obviously you are playing with the Indian people, life of the Indian people. Means it is not good to us. Means whenever we make news interesting, then we can add or news channel add some masalas on that news. So that's why actual meaning of that news is change. So and yes, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, Devi bhai, I think Ganesh bhai mentioned very good point. If you are making news as like entertainment, means you are just playing with emotion of Indian. Because if I have opened the news channel, so watching for news, not for some entertainment purpose, ki why he has said Babu, Babu mujhe maaf kar do, something like that, you know. Uh, so actually, I'm not finding any point. I think today they have discussed बाबू मुझे माफ कर दो बाबू मुझे माफ कर दो उसने क्यों कहा अरे maybe you know that can be some other thing and why he has such raised the thumbs huh? He's culprit please catch him something like that huh? So Devi bhai you are thinking something I think you are want to speak.
No, no, no. I'm thinking, what is that Babu? Something you're saying now. Thinking, what
Yes,
is that? Like,
you can see Republic Bharat because they have covered 2 days. Only this word, बाबू मुझे माफ कर दो हाँ पूछता है भारत बाबू मुझे माफ कर दो you know if I would be lawyer firstly I am going to lodge a case कि why पूछता है भारत I am not interested in that why you have mentioned पूछता है भारत we are all
but I'm
Indians.
I'm I'm asking, right?
Yes, yes, you know. That's why they are generating so much TRP because they know there are many people who are going to watch this. Babu, mujhe maaf kar do, something like that. You know, so that's why. So, who is going to conclude this topic? Amit bhai, you can conclude.
yeah, yeah. Okay, fine.
Uh,
So, so actually, see, already at the beginning of this debate, I already told you that the media is the the fourth pillar of our the democracy, and they should show the news which one is the truth and which one is the false. Okay, I like what Sonakshi told, right? She told that means suppose if the someone is going to contest the election, so it's the media's responsibility to highlight it. Means how that the person, it's a good person or a bad person, so that everyone will be aware of and before voting it, because these people are going to the parliament and they are enjoying their life. So before if the media is involved in such activities, it would be always good, and it's such a things always welcome. Okay, another point is that the Ganesh told that the masala, yeah, I'm agree with that. They are adding up so much masala, sometimes they will reach in an extreme low level, that it's something like a disgusting, and it cannot accept it being, suppose if you are, and already you told that Puchta Hai Bharat, they run something. So they should not run it. Whatever the news they have to show, likewise they should show us such a the news. Okay, and as the Devi Bhai told that in a 90s era we had only the Doordarshan and other channels, but now these days we have the so many the different channels also. But we can easily compare it by comparing. Suppose now, for example, any channel has to deliver something, so you can easily differentiate what actually they are showing a truth or not. Or sometimes if it is the counting, so at the time of the counting, some media showing the different result, and some other channels it shows the different, so they should not show it I don't know on the what basis they analyze it, how they collect the statistical data. But ultimately, the what I feel that they should, show the truth, and they should behind, because if I am the layman, or being being the simple person, it would be a very difficult to raise the voice if the culprits are the political, or they are very rich, and against them we cannot fight them. So here the media can play a vital role, and with the help of media we can expose such a culprit person also. So ultimately, we should do such a thing, and means media should such do a thing. They should not be corrupt, and ultimately, the honesty is ultimate. They should act honestly. So honesty is, the honesty should be a praise. So if they are really showing that the correct news on the TV channel, that's
I
it.
I think Amit Bhai, DD News is really best channel compared to other channel. At least we can get some genuine news. But nowadays, no people are watching that only due to masala, as Devi Bhai mentioned. He used to watch Republic Bharat. Why? Because he's getting so much masala. Yes. Okay, so thank you guys for attending this. Just enjoy Big Boss and IPL. So thank you. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you all.
Thank you all. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye.